Hello, in front of me I have Wahoo Tickr Fit sensor, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this sensor from your Android phone. First, we need to open the Wahoo Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our sensor. After you open the application, you should see the workout page. Now tap on the settings icon, then select the sensors option. Here you should see your Tickr Fit on the list of devices. Tap on it. Then scroll down, find the Forget Sensor button, tap on it, and tap on Forget. It will disappear from the list of sensors. Now we can close the application. You can also, just in case, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and check if you have the sensor right here on the list. As you can see, we don't have any, but if you had the sensor on this list, you can tap on the settings icon, tap on Forget, and then confirm to disconnect the device from your phone. And at this point, the sensor is disconnected or unpaired from our Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.